Dear friends, in this video, we are going to discuss the important questions of two poems in your English text. It is for your improvement examination. First of all, we are going to discuss the important aspects of If. It is a beautiful poem written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. It is Kipling's most famous poem. What is the theme of this poem? The major qualities of a perfect man is the theme of this poem. How to attain the status of a noble man? Who is the speaker of this poem? A father is the speaker and a son is the listener. Other important tips are knaves represents dishonest people. What are the two impostors in life? That is time and disaster. What is the meaning of sinew? Something that gives strength and support. Identify the major poetic devices in If. The first one is personification. Not make dreams your master. Second one is metaphor, that is unforgiving minutes. Then anaphora, if you can. Do you know what is anaphora? Lines begin with the same words, that is if, etc. Symbol, knaves, crowds, kings. Hyperbole, yours is the earth and everything that is in it. These are the important poetic devices in If. Other important metaphoric expressions are unforgiving minutes, twisted by knaves, worn out tools. Another important personification, not make dreams your master, will saying hold on, triumph and disaster as impostors. The main points of this poem: trust yourself, be patient, be honest, never hate others, never talk too wise, never speak about loss, never seek sympathy from others, be with self control, be with true sense of values. These are the important points in this particular poem. This poem is really a golden way to attain the status of a noble man. The main traits of a great personality is beautifully picturized in this beautiful poem, If. Second one is Death the Leveler. It is by James Shirley. It is a funeral poem. What are the major questions related to this particular poem? What is the theme of this poem? Central idea of this poem is the vanity and impermanence of earthly glory and power. The vanity and impermanence of earthly glory and power is the theme, that is the central idea of Death the Leveler. We have already discussed personification, metaphor and symbol. What is personification? Personification means giving human traits and qualities to an inanimate object. Metaphor is a figure of speech that describes a subject by asserting that it is at some point of comparison the same as another, otherwise unrelated object. Symbol is an object that represents an idea, image or an action. These are poetic devices, major poetic devices. Why death is a leveler? It's a repeated question. Death knows no distinction and carries off all alike high and low, rich and poor, king and beggar, strong and weak, reducing them all to dust. Death is an equalizer. Some more reference. Dust purple altar. What is the meaning of it? Blood stained battlefield. What is victor victim? That is triumph and defeated. That is the conqueror and the conquered. What is scepter and crown? That is the symbol of kings. What is scythe and spade? The symbol of common people. What are the poetic devices here? The first one is personification. That is a very important one. Death lays his icy hand on kings. Comparing a human characteristics to death. What is metaphor? Glories are shadows. What is metonymy? Glories and shadows. Then metonymy, crown, scepter, scythe and spade. What is the message of this poem? The poem gives us a message that death is a great leveler. Only our good actions remain after our death, so we should always be just in our action. Death is a great leveler. Good actions remain after our death. The poet is really inspiring you to do good actions. So, dear friends, we have already learned in the earlier video what are the major steps of writing a critical appreciation. There is introduction, brief summary, poetic devices, and conclusion. About the poet, theme, meaning, implied meaning, structure, sound effects, images, symbols, language, mode, figures of speech, etc. Then message and personal comments. So we will continue another poems in the next video. It is an attempt to go through all aspects of the first two poems in a quick manner. Let us learn well. Thank you. Have a nice day.